Presenting a pre-owned 2009 Ford Expedition King Ranch. This 4-door SUV has an 8-cylinder, 5.4-liter V8 engine, with 4-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Ford has less than 226,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, battery saver, external temperature display, body side reinforcements, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, trailer hitch, power windows, and rear privacy glass. Purchase this vehicle with confidence now and get this 15-day drive away Illinois Powertrain Limited warranty.